Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Welcome back to a brand new episode. Oh, everybody out there is having a good day. Happy 2019. Today, I wanted to give you guys a brand new banger, man. Got something special in from the plug, so I thought it was only right that I hit you guys with a brand new sneaker pickup. You've seen the title of this video. This is the Nike Air Fear of God 1 Shootaround sneaker. I was lucky enough to be able to get this in hand, courtesy of the plug, so I thought it was only right I give you guys a brand new sneaker video, and we check one of the most hyped sneakers of 2018 out in hand. So before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you finesse that notification bell, that way you get a reminder every time I drop a new video, because I drop consistent content. If you're new here and it's your first time watching, welcome to the Shoemanati Show. You should consider subscribing. If you're a regular and you always pull up, salute. Shout out to the whole Naughty gang and everybody who pulled up as soon as I dropped this video. Drop gang in the comment section, and of course shout out to the whole Illumination Team Dark Skin. With that being said, let's get right into this brand new sneaker unboxing of the Nike 1 Fear of God Shootaround sneaker. You know how we do, man. It's the Shoemanati Show. Let go. It's grown, bitch. You know the vibes, man. So fresh out of the sky, the sneaker gods drop another banger on me, man. This is the Nike Air Shootaround. This is a size 10. The official colorway is black, and the suggested retail price on this sneaker is $300. This is the Nike Air Fear of God Shootaround sneaker. You got that orange box. So let's open these up. Let's take them out the box. Let's check them out, guys. Got nice little slick packaging on this, just something different. You can tell Nike actually put some effort into this sneaker release, and that's one of the reasons I like this Fear of God collaboration as well. Shout out to Jerry Lorenzo for really doing his thing with this sneaker release. And as soon as we open up the packaging, first thing we see is the Nike Air Fear of God dust bag. Then you got another packaging that has Air Fear of God on it. On the inside of it, you just have your lace locks, as well as your Nike Fear of God hang tag. So I think that's kind of dope as well. But let's get into the meat and potato, and let's take these sneakers out the wrap and let's check them out. These come individually wrapped in their own foil plastic. That's one sneaker. And that's two sneakers. And here we have it, guys. This is the Nike Air Fear of God Shootaround sneaker. So this is rumored to be the shoot-around sneaker that NBA stars can throw on during warm-ups, pre-game, right before an official game start, and just kind of warm up in this sneaker. I think this is a dope, solid shoot-around sneaker. I definitely could see PJ Tucker in these ASAP, but this is Nike and Fear of God. I just love the fact that Nike is working with people of color in high-end streetwear fashion. They're bringing them into the corporate offices of Nike, and they're coming up with dope collaborative efforts. But this is the Nike Air Fear of God Shootaround. Let me know what you guys think about this. You got a predominantly black upper with a white midsole. Then you got hit of your Nike Air unit on the back of the heel. You got a white outsole with multi-directional traction. This is more of like a nylon upper on this sneaker. This definitely gives me that nylon feel. And you got your lace lock on it to hold the laces up, and you got to strap up the top to really lock you in when you're wearing this sneaker. And I think this is dope, man. Something different. I'm sure you guys probably seen a lot of these videos on YouTube, but I just wanted to give you guys my official perspective on this. I think this is a dope sneaker. Glad I was able to get it in hand just to be able to show you guys what it looked like. This was a very coveted sneaker release. If you didn't get lucky through the Nike Sneakers app or have a plug at a consortium store, you were ass out of luck on these Nike Air Fear of Gods. This could definitely be in the talk for sneaker of the year for 2018. But overall, this is the Nike Air Fear of God Shootaround in the black colorway. Let me know what you guys think about these, man. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Would you have cop? Did you just pass on this? Was this just not you, not your style? Or would you try to go for these and you caught that L? Or was you just trying to get them for resale? Let me know. I thank you guys for taking time of your day to watch yet another video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. I'll follow back. Links will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys. Have a happy 2019, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
I know you been thinking about me, thinking about how I've been moving again, but I've been counting paper. Ain't no pretend, but now I'm in this shit for show.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.